Hi friends, welcome to another video. In this session we will discuss about arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used for performing basic arithmetic operations. So in Python there are 7 arithmetic operations. We'll discuss them one by one. Let's start with addition. So what it does is it adds the value on either side of the operator. And the second type is subtractions. It subtracts the right hand operand from the left hand operand. The other type is multiplication, multiplies value on either side of the operator. Is the division, divides left hand operand by the right hand operand. The one is the modulo. What modulo does is divides the left hand operand by right hand operand and returns the remainder. The one is the exponent. It performs exponential power calculation on operators. And the last one is floor division. The floor division operates where the result is the question in which the digits after the decimal points are removed. So if it question is 2.3, the result will be 2. It will remove the digits after the decimal point. So let's see all this in action. Let's assume 3 variables and assign them value as. Let's apply all these operators and see the results. So this, and there you have it. We are done with this session. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.